Hey Pink Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Yanni. I hope y'all enjoyed my channel and get to stick around and subscribe and like this video just because it's free. Today we are doing a review with Zomei. Zomei. Is that how you pronounce it? Zomei? Well, let me tell you a little story about Zomei. I've been on YouTube for a year already. And actually it's funny because my first ring light, I did not even tell them this and they don't know. So I hope they see my video. Zomei was my first ring light and I did not tell them that. Once they contacted me, they were like, you want to review a ring light? So I was like, sure. This is the second ring light that people contact me to review. And I was mostly excited about this one because, like I said, Zomei, it is the first ring light that I decided to get. Mostly people go with newer, but me being picky and everything, I went with Zomei. So if you're watching this video, it's because you're thinking about getting a Zomei ring light. The ring light that I have on right now is the Zomei 18-inch. The one they sent me to review, it is the 14-inch. Now there's a big old T behind these two ring lights. And I'm gonna tell y'all something right now and I'm gonna give y'all my quick little review. I've been trying out this ring light for 2 whole weeks already, so I always give my honest review. I always try the product for a good while and then give y'all the review because I don't like to try it once and then be like, oh shit, it fucked up in a week or two, and then be like, well, I just gave my review, give it a positive review, and then it don't work or it burned my house down or you never know. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, and I hope y'all enjoy this video and this review. Any questions, go ahead in the comments below. I always try to help y'all out as much as I can. The link to the ring light, the 14-inch, will be in the description box below also. So let's just go ahead and start on with the review. You need a bag. This is a Zomei 14-inch and this is a Zomei this is a 14-inch and this is an 18-inch, so pretty much same bag, 18, 14. So like I said, we're gonna be doing the 14. So brand new bag. I just love the way that it does come with a bag because I move my ring light a lot and I have a small beauty room, so it's better to store something and keep it safe than, you know, than having it around. And you know, my cat sometimes knocks down my ring light, so I prefer to keep it safe. Okay, let's start off. It does come with this. So it's a funny story on this one because on my Zomei 18-inch ring light, it came with this and it came with the clear ones and also the orange ones. And there's a funny thing about this one that I'm gonna show y'all right now. Also comes with this one. This is called a diffuser, I believe. So it also comes with this one. So it comes with both of them, which I don't even use this one. I tend to use the other one. The brighter the better for me, but everybody has their own preference. So it does come with this one and the plastic one. It also comes with an instruction manual book. You get your charger, your stand obviously, and you also get a little bag. It says Zomei right here, and you get the little phone case, little clip in case you want to record with your phone or anything like that. And you also get this little piece, I don't know what you can call this, but that's what you also get. This is really good if you're like recording in your camera or something like that, because you can either put it forwards or backwards. So this is pretty good. Instead of moving your ring light back and forth, you can move this. The charger, it is pretty long for me. I don't know how long it is, but it's pretty long for me. Let me just show you, just in case, because I know some people will be tripping about the charger that's not long enough. For me, it is super long. I don't have a problem with the charger. It is the same one as my 18-inch ring light. I wanted to show y'all the stand right here. This is not the same as my 18-inch. It is pretty different. My 18-inch flips upwards and downwards to open and close. So yeah, so I don't know how to explain it, but this one is slides down, like you have to open it, and mine doesn't say Zomei. and this one does. Okay, so I wonder if I got it from the same seller, but this one is pretty tricky because I feel like I'm gonna break it. So it goes like that and it opens like this, so it has to be like that, and you can do it pretty high. I'm gonna just put it the point is, on this one, I know it's a 14-inch, but once I sit down my ring light, I mean, it's a 14-inch, it's not that heavy, but I feel like if I put my camera on this 14-inch ring light, it will fit well, but I feel like the stand, it's not sturdy enough, to be honest. On my side, I just feel like my camera's just gonna flip forward on me and fall. But that's just my opinion. I don't know about other people, but in my opinion, that's just me, okay? Because people be tripping about opinions when I'm giving my opinion, but y'all want to know the truth, so that's my truth. So this is me sitting down. It can go higher, and it still can go way more. Like, it can go pretty high. I'm 5'3", so it's pretty much my size. So that's how tall it goes. So you just put it on like nothing. You don't even need an instruction manual because it's pretty self-explanatory. So it's just tying everything up. Now this one, on my 18-inch, you need a diffuser in order for you to get that orange type of lights. On this one, you don't. As you can see, it has two little things right here. This one is to turn it on and off. It is dimmable. Always get a dimmable. Trust me, it makes a big difference. And on this one, it says color temperature. So you can either put it, instead of the orange diffuser thing, you have this. Turn it on. And to be honest, this is bright. I'm gonna turn my 18-inch off because, to be honest, this is more of a blue toned ring light. Mine's is like a daylight. I don't know how to explain it. I feel like the 14-inch is brighter than my 18-inch, to be honest. That's with my 18-inch off. So I'm gonna just show y'all. So this is the lowest setting right here, and I'm gonna just put it all the way up. I'm telling y'all, this is just right in front of my camera. I'm telling y'all, I feel like the 14-inch is way brighter than my 18-inch. The 14-inch is brighter than the 18-inch. Girl, I'm getting tongue twisted. But as y'all can see, this is just the 14-inch by itself. Girl, like, I can work with this ring light, like, and this one's cheaper because this one's, I believe this one's $80. The 18-inch is more. I believe I paid like 100 and something for mine. So it's just the little stand that's driving me nuts. But other than that, I could always switch it up. But let me just change the color temperature so y'all can see. So this is the cool tone and this is the orange. Yeah, I won't be able to see it unless I turn it around to me. Oh, that is bright. So that is the orange setting, and this is like in between. I don't know if y'all can, y'all won't be able to see the little orange little lights. But this is like in between both. This is more like more daylights between the orange lights, and this is just the daylight. Y'all can see a big difference, and this is all the way to daylight. Really true blue toned daylight light. Okay. And like I said, it's just the orange. I feel like this feature is pretty good if you're like trying to do like in between colors. You can play around with it. This is, like I said, this is in between, and this is true daylight. I'm telling y'all, it is brighter than my 18-inch ring light. And this is just like straight on further away from me. This is like right in front of my 18-inch, and y'all won't be able to see it. And this is all the way up settings all the way up, and it is pretty bright. Like, I'm shook. Like, I spent it $100 some on my 18-inch, and the 14-inch comes like double the better quality. I think it's worth it, girl. Yes, I think it's way worth it. It's just the stand. It's driving me nuts. I hope Zomei does a better stand for it. Understand it's a small ring light and you don't need a big stand, but I prefer to have something that's sturdy and better quality, because with my two fur babies, like, they're always fighting around, either my cat with my dog or my dog with my cat, and they knock the heck down on my stuff sometimes. And I just imagine my 14-inch ring light will fall and get knocked down really easy with that little small stand. So that is the only complaint I can give, but other than that, the ring light for me, it's a huge thumbs up. I think it's way better than my 18-inch ring light. I just wanted y'all to see the comparison between, because they are both from the same brand, but I just feel like the 14-inch ring light, it's a little bit brighter, a little bit more cool tone than my 18-inch, which is shocking, but I think it's worth it. In my opinion, if I want to choose in between one of those two, I will go with the 14-inch. Even though it's smaller, don't let that fool you. I feel like it is better than the 18-inch. But I hope y'all enjoy this tutorial, makeup tutorial today. Okay, I need to eat. I need to go rest. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Like I said, if y'all have any questions, any doubts, let me know in the comments below. I always try to help y'all much as possible. The ring light link will be in the description box below again. And thank you so much for Zomei for collabing with me. I'm beyond happy and joyful right now, because this is shocking. I like I said, this is my first this was my first ring light, and to collab with the company that has like my first ring light, it's amazing. Okay, so yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll go ahead and see y'all on the next one.